Hello there. I'm going to show you how to use MongoDB 3.4 and 3.6 from Charming that has been set up with an XFS volume and password security. You need the password security so that you can access it from anywhere in the world. If you don't have a password security, MongoDB 3.6 comes bound to the local host, and you can't access it from anywhere except for the local host. So we installed this for you guys, special to make your life easy. You can just attach your driver from far away, whether you want to use Node.js, PHP, C, whatever kind of drivers you want to hook up from remotely. It'll just work, use your standard port. 27017, it's open. Just make sure to put your password, and the username is Charming. Okay, so let's get going. So you launch this, one click, and choose your kind of instance type and all that, and then it launches it for you, and then you'll go to your EC2 console. You'll get your connect information. Okay, I'm already connected. I like to use Bitvice. You can use whatever you'd like. All right. So, but you don't actually need to connect via a Linux CLI to this, because it's, as I said, it's open remotely. So let's show you remotely how to connect to it via CLI. You have to have MongoDB client installed. Client usually likes to have the server also, but it's not a big install. If you want it on your local host just to be able to run the CLI, so here we have the command. You see it has the has the host name that we got from the EC2 panel. Over here, you just click on this and it copies the host name. And we use the instance ID as our password, so just copy those two, paste them into your command, and press enter. And it should connect. There we have it. You see we connected. We can see our databases. You can't see the databases if you can't, if you're not an admin, it won't show you the databases. So you see we're admin, you see all these things. From here you can just start creating databases, use, just if you want to create a new database, just use, just type use database. Use Charming, of course, it's the best one. Now we have a new database, Charming. So you'd like to see from the other one, we didn't write the database. It didn't get created because we didn't add stuff to it. But if you want to, so you connect via CLI to your Linux. If you want to put like drivers and all, load your, maybe your existing database, whatever it is. We have an XFS Volume. You can see mounted over here as XVDB. All right. So now, if you want to run run that, so you need to use the password again, because if you just log in using Mongo, although it'll open it up, it won't let you see anything. See, it's just given an error saying, hey, you're not authorized to see that. But now we'll do it the right way. Do Mongo -u, and of course our user is Charming, because we are charmingcloud.net, and the password is the instance ID that we copied a moment ago. Just copy it again. Have my faces blocking the thing over there. Okay, and there, oh, hey, why do you not work? Log in, Mongo. We have to do use the admin. Log into the admin. There you go. Okay. You have to put when you log in from the CLI, you put admin at the end, and when you log in remotely with using the MongoDB CLI, you could do over here localhost instead. Instead of this, you could put localhost and use the URL connection. Or and over here you see this is the database that we had connected up to. We didn't type it in because I had it in the history. And over here we had to add the name of the database. Here you see it's even showing us the same thing, saying connecting to over there. All right. So there you have it. You have a password protected MongoDB installation with an XFS volume, and you can see that it's an XFS volume and that it's password protected because when we logged in we got absolutely no warning messages. Imagine that. Have you ever installed MongoDB without an error message? Just see those 3 lines. Hey, this is who I am. Usually it tells you warning, you don't have XFS, warning, you don't have security, warning, I'm connected to the local host. But it's all fixed for you, all set up, and very worthwhile, and it has a free trial. Don't forget the free trial. Okay, so I hope you sign up for this. Bye-bye.